Hello friends, many people ask me this: can the Waqf authorities put up the national emblem of India on mosque or dargahs? Sounds simple, right? But legally the answer is no, and here is why. What is the national emblem? You have seen the line capital of Ashoka, four lines standing back to back? That's our national emblem. Adopted in 1950, it represents the authority of Government of India. You see it on the Parliament, the Supreme Court, currency notes, and official documents. So it is not just decoration; it is a sovereign symbol. So now the question is, which law governs it? So there is a law, special law, the State Emblem of India, Act 2005. Along with it, we have the State Emblem of India Rules 2007. So these laws say who can use the emblem and where it can be displayed. As far as the legal provisions are considered, Section 3 of the 2005 Act says that no person shall use the emblem in any way that suggests government connection without central government permission. So if you put up the emblem on mosque or dargah, it looks like it is officially linked to the government, which is not true, so it becomes improper use. Section 7 of the 2005 Act says that breaking this law can mean up to 2 years in jail or fine. Rule 8 of the 2007 rules says that the emblem can be displayed only on the top government buildings like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament, Supreme Court, Raj Bhavan, state assemblies, high courts, and Indian embassies abroad. So mosques, dargahs, temples, or churches are not on this list. Rule 10 of the 2007 rules says that the emblem cannot be used by NGOs, universities, municipalities, panchayats or other bodies unless the central government specifically allows it. So religious institutions fall under other bodies. Since they are not in the permitted list, they are automatically prohibited. So now the question is, what about Waqf authorities? Now Waqf Boards are statutory bodies created under the Waqf Act 1995, and they manage mosques, dargahs and Waqf properties. But a mosque or dargah itself is a religious place, not a government office. Even if the Waqf minister or Waqf board wants it, they cannot override the 2005 Act and 2007 rules. Only the central government can authorize such use, and in practice it never does for religious places. Because India is a secular state and mixing the emblem with religion would go against the constitution's secular spirit. I will give an example which will make it clear. Think of it this way: just like a private school or NGO cannot put up the national emblem on its building, so a mosque or dargah cannot either. It doesn't matter that it is managed by a statutory body like the Waqf Board. It is still a religious institution, not a government department. So what is allowed? Religious places can proudly hoist the national flag, the Tiranga, under the Flag Code of India 2002. That is why you see flags in mosques, temples and gurdwaras on Independence Day and Republic Day. But the national emblem is reserved only for government use. So my take on this is, we should balance law and respect religious sentiment. It's true that legal clarity is missing, but cultural respect matters most. Because there is no directive, precedent or Supreme Court ruling on placing the national emblem within religious places, still for public faith spaces, especially ones deeply revered like Hazrat Bal Shrine, religious sentiments and traditions must guide decisions. The national emblem is a sovereign symbol and not meant to be used in places of worship. It can blur the lines between state and religion, which goes against India's secular ethos. So while the Waqf Board oversees religious properties, it should be especially aware of the community beliefs. Installing a state emblem in a mosque could easily come off as a tone deaf, not necessarily illegal but insensitive. So labeling protesters as terrorists and invoking laws like the PSA can inflame tensions. A more community-sensitive approach, perhaps issuing an apology or removing the emblem proactively, would have been a calmer, wiser choice. So this incident underscores the need to consult community, stakeholders and religious scholars when making aesthetic or symbolic changes in religious sites. It's not just about legality, it is about harmony and respect. Now the question is, should those who demolished the national emblem at Dargah be punished? Legally the answer is yes. The national emblem is protected under the State Emblem of India Act 2005, and Section 7 says if anyone damages it, punishment can be up to 2 years in jail or a fine. So by law, the Vandals are wrong, so punishment under law is possible, but it should be fair, balanced, and focused on keeping peace as well as protecting our national symbols. That wraps it up. The law is clear, and now you know both sides of the story. If you enjoy learning about such real issues in simple words, do share this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching and supporting Doubt Demolisher.